me show you how easy it is to create a story highlight on Instagram. Hi and welcome back to day 60 of 100 social media tips. If you've never posted a story highlight before, this is what you can do. So you tap the burger icon on the right and then you scroll down to archive, and instead of post archive, you want to go into stories archive. And then I just want to create a story highlight here, and I can name this as, say I say Perth trip. Now I can see it on my profile and I have that one story there. So let's say I want to add more. We click more here, edit highlight, and then go into stories. Then I keep selecting the other stories that I wanted to add and then click done. Now in this highlight here, you can see the different stories I have as a highlight of my Perth trip. And then again, you can just change the name if you want, travel. And you can also change the cover photo. So say I wanted this one here, or as well, I can upload one specifically. Hi, that is me, showcase. Hi, that is me going through another tutorial. Let's say instead I want to click this video as a story highlight and then click done. You can use this in any way that is going to showcase your brand and carry out that messaging or anything you want your potential client or customer to know so that they know more about you. For example, like this client here, they use their story highlights to showcase different designs that they have, or if it's showcasing their healed work to show more of their product and services. Say they aren't necessarily looking through all your content, they can get a sneak peek at your highlights. What I personally recommend is 5 story highlights. The reason is if you have anything else, it will just get longer and longer and you will have to scroll through to see the different story highlights. So not necessarily everyone is going to go through each of your highlights. The story highlights that you do update more frequently will then go to the beginning in chronological order of when it has been posted. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.